What happens to your body when you stop eating meat? Have you ever wondered about the fact that our body is the most sensitive and honest conversationalist in the world? It never lies to us, even if we try very hard not to notice its quiet whisper. On that gray autumn day, I stood in front of the mirror and saw in the reflection a tired woman whose eyes had lost their former sparkle. My skin seemed lifeless, and every morning began with a heavy sigh and a reluctance to leave the warm bed. It was then that I realized something inside me had broken, and ordinary cosmetic products or an extra hour of sleep were no longer helping. I decided to completely change my diet and switch to plant-based nutrition, not for the sake of fashion or beautiful photos on social networks. This was my personal cry for help, an attempt to find a way to myself through what I fill my body with every single day. The first few days of my new path became a real test for my willpower and peace of mind. A real battle unfolded inside me between old habits and the desire to find a new lightness. My body was bewildered as to where the familiar products had disappeared, which for years had given it a deceptive feeling of fullness and comfort. I felt a strange emptiness that even the juiciest fruits or fresh vegetables could not fill. My brain constantly drew images of hot cheese or tender meat, making me doubt the correctness of the chosen path. But it was in those moments that I began to realize how much we depend on flavor additives and artificial stimulants. After 1 week, I noticed the first barely perceptible changes in my well-being. My digestion, which used to frequently remind me of itself with heavy spasms, suddenly went quiet and started working like clockwork. It was an amazing feeling of internal purity, as if someone had performed a deep cleaning in a dusty room. I no longer felt that exhausting sleepiness after lunch, which used to make me seek salvation in another cup of strong coffee. Energy began to come not in sharp bursts, but in a steady and calm flow, filling every cell of my body. I started waking up 5 minutes before the alarm clock, feeling truly rested and ready for a new day. When the first month of my experiment had passed, my reflection in the mirror began to change in the most magical way. Those small breakouts and rednesses that I had fought for years disappeared without a trace. My skin acquired a healthy glow that is impossible to imitate even with the most expensive foundation. It became soft and hydrated, as if it had been nourished with life-giving moisture from the inside. My friends began to ask what cosmetologist I was visiting and did not believe that the secret lay only in a plate of green salad. But the most important thing was not the external transformation, but how I began to feel my emotions. Plant-based nutrition had an amazing effect on my psychological state and emotional background. I noticed that I began to react much more calmly to stressful situations and small life troubles. That anxiety, which used to be my constant companion, gradually began to retreat, making room for inner peace. My thoughts became clear and sharp, as if the fog before my eyes had finally cleared. I began to feel smells and tastes more acutely, discovering an incredible variety of natural products for myself. An ordinary ripe apple began to seem like an exquisite dessert to me, and the aroma of fresh herbs caused real delight. The transition to plant-based food forced me to completely reconsider my relationship with the surrounding world. I began to think about what footprint we leave on this planet and how our daily choices affect the lives of other creatures. Deep compassion and an understanding that everything in this world is closely interconnected came into my heart. Every purchase in the store became a conscious action, not just an automatic filling of the basket. I felt like part of something bigger, part of great nature, which is always ready to give us everything we need for health. My body became a temple for me, which I no longer wanted to desecrate with heavy and harmful food. After 3 months, I discovered that my taste buds had completely renewed and transformed. Those products that previously seemed bland and boring to me began to play with new colors and shades. I learned to cook amazing dishes from lentils, chickpeas, and various grains that gave me true pleasure. My weight stabilized on its own, without exhausting workouts and strict calorie restrictions. The body seemed to find its ideal shape by itself, getting rid of everything extra and unnecessary. I felt light, like a feather, and at the same time incredibly strong and resilient. Special attention should be paid to how my hormonal background and women's health changed. Previously, critical days were always accompanied by severe pain and sharp mood swings that knocked me out of my routine. But after switching to plant-based nutrition, these symptoms became practically invisible and stopped causing discomfort. My cycle became regular and my energy level remained stable throughout the month. This was a real salvation because I no longer felt like a hostage to my own hormones. It was as if I got to know my body all over again and learned to live with it in complete harmony. Many people fear that plant-based nutrition will deprive them of necessary vitamins and make them weak. But from my own experience, I am convinced that with the right approach, everything happens exactly the opposite. My blood tests became much better than they were 5 years ago when I ate everything. Levels of iron and B vitamins remained normal, and cholesterol levels significantly decreased. I began to study nutrition and discovered the amazing world of micronutrients contained in plants. It turned out that nature provided everything necessary for our prosperity. One only needs to know how to use it. Of course, I encountered certain difficulties on my path related to the social environment and traditions. Relatives and friends often expressed concern about my choice, trying to feed me familiar dishes. I had to show patience and gently explain my position without entering into conflicts and disputes. Over time, they saw my results and began to treat my lifestyle with deep respect. Some of them even followed my example and introduced more plant products into their daily diet. This became the best confirmation for me that personal example acts more powerfully than any words. After 6 months, I realized that my body had begun to work on a completely different energetic level. My sleep became deep and calm. I stopped seeing anxious dreams and waking up in the middle of the night. In the morning, I felt a surge of inspiration and a desire to create, which had a beneficial effect on my professional activities. My concentration improved. I began handling complex tasks faster and get less tired. It was as if the highest quality and cleanest fuel had been poured into an old car. Everything inside me sang and rejoiced at every new moment of this amazing life. Plant-based nutrition gave me not only health, but also a new vision of beauty and aesthetics. I began to get huge pleasure from the process of choosing fresh vegetables at the market and preparing bright dishes. My kitchen was filled with the aromas of savory herbs and spices that used to gather dust on the shelves for no reason. Every meal turned into a real ritual of gratitude for the gifts that the earth brings us. I learned to listen to the true needs of my body and distinguish real hunger from emotional eating of problems. This gave me an incredible sense of freedom and control over my own destiny. It is interesting to observe how my perception of age and aging processes in general has changed. Previously, I noticed every new wrinkle with horror and feared the inevitable fading of my feminine beauty. But now I feel that time has seemingly slowed its pace, giving me the opportunity to enjoy every stage of life. My hair became thick and shiny, and my nails strong, which is always considered a sign of internal well-being. I am no longer afraid of getting older because I know that my body is reliably protected by proper nutrition and care. I feel much younger and more energetic than 10 years ago, and these are not just words. It is important to understand that switching to plant-based nutrition is not just a change of products in the refrigerator. It is a deep internal transformation that affects all aspects of human existence. It is a path to mindfulness, to the ability to hear oneself and trust one's intuition in a world of endless information noise. We often seek salvation in external factors, forgetting that the main source of healing is within ourselves. My body has become my ally, my wise teacher who opens new horizons of possibilities to me every day. I have learned to value every breath and every movement, feeling an inexpressible joy from the very fact of my existence. Now, looking back, I realize that that decision on that autumn day was the most important in my life. I didn't just change my diet, I completely rewrote the script of my future, filling it with light and health. My story is not a call for radical measures, but an invitation to listen to your heart. Every woman deserves to feel beautiful, strong, and full of vital energy. Our body is the only home in which we are to live our entire long and amazing life, and it depends only on us whether this home will be filled with warmth and light or will plunge into the darkness of illness and despondency. I continue my journey, discovering more and more new facets of plant-based nutrition and its influence on a person. Every day brings me small discoveries and confirmations that I am in the right direction. My heart is filled with love for the world and gratitude for the transformation that I had the chance to experience. I believe that each of you is capable of making this qualitative leap into a new reality where there is no place for fatigue and apathy. Start small, take the first step toward your health, and you will see how the world around you begins to change in response. Your body will definitely thank you for this care, giving you long years of active and happy life. In conclusion, I want to say that the path to health always begins with self-love. When we begin to value ourselves, we stop feeding our body with what destroys it from the inside. Plant-based nutrition has become for me the highest manifestation of this love and respect for my feminine nature. I wish each of you to find your own path to harmony and light without fearing change or judgment from others.